Start by mounting the inside dewel as far in as possible on the hub. Slide 3 pilot sleeves on 3 different studs forming a triangle. Put the installation tool on any one of the 3 studs with pilot sleeves. The sleeves at 4 or 8 are the easiest to start with. Begin pushing in on the sleeve while turning the handle in short clockwise rotation. Then mount the outside dewel on the hub. Put 3 more pilot sleeves on the same 3 studs as the first 3 sleeves. And either using the installation tool again, or just chase those sleeves into the wheel with 3 flange nuts. This will center both wheels on the same 3 studs, making both wheels perfectly centered on the wheel hub. Put in the last 7 nuts and torque all 10 to the factory specs, and you're done.